Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. Today we're going to be doing something really special today. I've been trying to get to this recipe for quite a long time. We're going to be doing the Alabama BBQ White Sauce. Yeah, this has been a famous barbecue sauce in Alabama. They put it majority of the time on their chicken. There's a famous restaurant down there that is famous for the white sauce. They even have a white sauce bottle in stores. You know, it's not common out here in Texas, you know what I'm saying? Because, we are a sweet based or vinegar based type sauce. But Alabama, I definitely wanted to try this out. I've been hearing a lot of people rave about it. So let's get into the ingredients. So, they're real simple. 2 cups of mayo, that is the key ingredient to this. Next, you want to have a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. So, if you love vinegar, this is kind of like a vinegar base. It's not really strong on vinegar, you know what I'm saying? But, if you want to add it in, definitely add in some fresh squeezed lemon juice. So get about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper. Okay. Well, sorry, let me correct that. You know what I'm saying? 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and also 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't want it spicy, you can leave that out. But for the original, it has cayenne pepper in there. Also 2 horseradish. What I did was I got a smoky horseradish. They do sell them in stores. So, but if you want to do the original, just get the regular horseradish. You can get the creamy or you can get the fresh horseradish. It's up to you. For what I did was I added in about 2 teaspoons of horseradish. That's because I like horseradish on my steak. So I want to see how this turns out. Next, you know what I'm saying? What I did was added my little twist into it and added 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. You know what I'm saying? I love garlic on everything. So let's get to assembling this and, let's get to see how it tastes. I have some grilled chicken wings that I made the other day. I'm dying to try out and see what it tastes like. So let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna get ready to mix this up. I already got all the ingredients out. Stuff like that. What I'm gonna do is add in the wet ingredients into the mayo. So that was the lemon juice. Now you can get something bigger, to actually mix it up in. Actually, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit in this first, start it out, and then I'm gonna actually pour it into the jar to mix the rest of the ingredients up. So just mix it in pretty good. Also now add in the 2 cups of, the half a cup of cider vinegar. Pour everything in. It's big enough to mix all the ingredients in. So, like I said, this is a really easy recipe. When I looked it up, and I looked over a lot of people's recipes, and pretty much it always led back to this same recipe that I got. Has anybody in the comments, leave in the comments if you ever tried this recipe out. Let me know what you thought. So let's mix it up. Mix all the ingredients in. Alrighty. Let's work smarter, not harder. All right, so next I'm gonna add in the horseradish. Putting the horseradish in, the minced up garlic, mix that in, cayenne pepper, the sea salt. Probably wondering, like, I don't look like sea salt. Yeah, it was a little cayenne pepper. I put in the wrong one, so I just kept it in there. Black pepper. And last but not least, the W sauce. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but in the ingredients, it has 1 tablespoon of W sauce, which is Worcestershire sauce. tongue twister sauce. But yeah, let's mix all these ingredients up. Let's get the whisk, guys. Try to make sure you incorporate all, the ingredients on the sides. Make sure you get everything in. Mix it up like I'm doing. All right, you guys. Try to do a little taste test. See how it came out. Wow, pretty good. Can't wait to try this on chicken. All right, really good. Get a funnel. Don't want to make no mess, and pour it in. And this is really good. You don't have to cook this sauce. You can leave it exactly how I made it. And it stores in the refrigerator for a pretty long time. But in my household, this might not last that long. So the way this thing tastes, it goes good on chicken. It tastes like it goes good on fries. Oh, and then tastes a little garlicky taste. It's really, really good. Let's cap it off. Just want to shake it up. Make sure I get everything in here. Let's get the chicken. All right, you guys, so just heated up the wings. Let's get to throwing this Alabama sauce on here. Let's see how it tastes, you guys. This will be my first try trying it out, so you be trying to ride along with me. So, shook it up. Add a little. Man, this looks good. Oh, man. Man, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision, guys. This bad boy tastes good. This is sauce. So let's get into it, you guys. You see I had to get the big piece. Oh, man. I'm talking about Alabama know what they're talking about. All right. I found a new sauce for my chicken. Shoot, man, this mug is good. I need y'all to try this out. Let me know in the comments if y'all try this out. It's not overly, vinegar. It's just right. With the smokiness of the chicken, it came out real good. And some of you guys probably worried about the horseradish, but you can barely even taste it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was wondering about, because I'm like, horseradish and sauce. So guys, this is literally winter chicken, winter chicken dinner, you guys. I want y'all to try this out. Let me know what y'all, how it came out. Leave it in the comments if you ever tried this before, or you got a different twist on it, or if there's a different version of the Alabama white sauce. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. We come with these easy recipes, you know what I'm saying, nothing complicated. And guys, I'm about to get down on these wings. See you in the next one.